Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to see a rhombus problem. In this they have given diagonals. One is 50 and 20 mm. 50 mm is larger and 20 mm is smaller diagonal. So larger diagonal is inclined at 30 degree to VP with an end is in the HP. So and the smaller diagonal is parallel to both principal planes. Draw the projection. Here just I am showing the rough sketch how it should be drawn. So we will be constructing a rhombus using two diagonals 100 mm. So it is what resting in the HP plane. Okay, and it is 50 mm. From exactly from the midpoint we'll consider the height. So here height is okay 20 mm. So we'll be constructing a rhombus like this and then projecting it. We get the front view. Okay, we can give the naming A B C D, and then here we got the front view A dash B dash, like that we can write. And here inclination to HP also given, that is 30 degree. So we can mark, and with the help of the protractor, so we can mark 30 degree. So to understand better, you just watch the video until the end. You can understand each of the steps very easily, how to do the rhombus problem. Okay, now the same smaller diagonal, this is a smaller diagonal, so that needs to be parallel. In this position it is parallel to HP. Now we can make it parallel to the VP plane, just making it 90 degree exactly, and then constructing it. So okay, that's what our smaller diagonal. Okay, so and then making like this we can construct it to making it to parallel to VP. So this is the smaller diagonal which is now parallel to the VP plane. So in this problem they have not given inclination to the VP. Instead of that they are telling it we have to make it parallel to both the principal planes. Principal plane means it is nothing but the HP and the VP plane. Okay, this is how we construct the rhombus problem. Okay, so you can watch till the end, you can understand all the steps. Here the first step I'm constructing it is drawing an XY line. I'm marking HPVP. So write XY VPHP. Now I'll be constructing the larger diagonal, that is 50, using scale. So here I'm using the grid sheet so that construction will become easier. Okay, I'm using okay, so 50 mm it is drawn. Take the midpoint. So here you can give the height. So height the smaller diagonal it is 25 mm. So you can take 12.5 above and 12.5 below from that midpoint and draw vertical line. Okay, now join. Like this we can construct the rhombus. Okay guys, always remember in the rhombus they will be giving the diagonal lengths. Using those lengths we can construct easily the rhombus. Here you can see with respect to the question we have constructed the longer diagonal, it is resting on the HP plane. Okay, and it is resting in the HP plane. So we have done. Now we can show the dimensions. So showing the dimensions is very important guys. Whenever you construct it, make sure you show the dimensions. So it is 50. So this is 25 mm. Guys, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. So project it upward to construct the front view. So A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash not visible from the front view. Okay, now inclination to HP we have to take. So inclination to HP given it is 30 degree to HP. So first we mark one reference point A dash, take the protractor, mark for angle 30 degree, and draw an angle line passing through that point. So take compass, measure the lens here. So this is having an angle of 30 degree, show the angle. Okay, measure the length from A dash to C dash, cut the arc, then mention the markings C dash, then A dash to B dash. So this is B dash and D dash in bracket. Okay, so now project it downward to complete the second position top view. So draw the projection lines horizontally also to construct second position top view. Write the namings. So this is small diagonal and this is larger diagonal. Okay, now in this position you can see the smaller diagonal is parallel to HP. We have to make it parallel to VP. How we make it? We have to rotate by 90 degree. You can see in this diagram. So you can see diagonal is smaller diagonal is parallel to both the reference planes, means we have to make it parallel to both HP and VP. So it is now parallel to HP. We can make it parallel to VP here by taking first I'll take a B point. So measure from B to D and cut the arc. So this is BD. Okay. So draw the smaller diagonal. Okay. Then take compass and cut the arcs here. So measure from B to A. So any one length is required. Okay. Because from B to A and B to C it is same. You can cut above and below by measuring the same length, and then reverse you can cut from D point the same. No need to measure again. The same length you have to cut it because the lengths were same. Now you join it. So this point is A and this point is C. So join it. Now in this position it is parallel to the VP plane. Okay. Now with respect to the question we have made, it is parallel to both the principal planes. Okay, now project it upward to complete the final position. Draw the projection lines. Guys, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and press on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications related to engineering drawing. Okay, and share to your classmates and friends so that they can be benefited. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. So after marking all these points, so complete the final position. Thank you guys, thank you all, thank you for your support.